I have my leather pouch ready, and today's balaclava is very unique. Have you seen this design? This is so cool. This is Polynesian design and this is given by others to me. Even he doesn't know where he got from. Very much like my tattoo. Okay, what's up YouTube? How is everything going on? Excited today. Very fresh. Had a great nap. So going to Garage Cafe with others, and the reason is we have to check our bikes. Also, secondly, we also want to chill at the Garage Cafe. I mean, Goa and Royal Enfield Garage Cafe is not happening. And how's my t-shirt? Isn't that cool? I'm wearing the Interceptor. Thanks Ravi for this awesome t-shirt. If you've not seen the vlog, this happened during my delivery of my Interceptor 650. Our rides are ready. So I have full tank. He has to fuel up. And he's also wearing the Urban Royal Enfield jacket. So am I. So at Garage Cafe right now, chilling here. Okay, so that's the Interceptor 650 engine. I have showed this so many times in my vlog. Cafe is good. We are enjoying the food here. The party continues. This is so different. Okay, so we get this awesome dessert, looks good. Okay, Merry Christmas to all you guys. Today is there's the Santa. We are not specially doing something because last night we were at Garage Cafe and we were there since a long time. You must have seen the vlog by now. I know these wishes are coming late to you guys because of the internet issue, but it's all sorted. Adarsh is cooking Christmas special meal. I was supposed to cook, but ये बंदा मुझे कुछ करने नहीं दे रहा है, and I am focusing on edit so that you guys get regular vlogs. Today is a good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are enjoying all my vlogs so far. Don't worry, I know there is not much of cinematic things happening yet, but be patient. This is a slow travel scene where vlogs will go easy and they'll come in slowly. आप लोगों को पता है his biggest problem, Adarsh's biggest problem, he regularly forgets his gloves on his motorcycle. So what happened at Garage Cafe? I'll quickly summarize. My motorcycle, the cone set setting is done. The wobble is gone again. It did start wobbling again. And yes, it is all about cone set setting. Also the tire pressure. You won't believe, around 10 psi was less. So we inflated that and that is been sorted right now. The only problem is the battery light has come back. Yeah, that means it could be the RR unit, or it could be the alternator, but I doubt it's the alternator. But RR unit could be a problem. Goa does not have RR unit. It'll come in a week's time. Luckily I'm here for a month, so I will get that checked on this beast of a machine. This is like a sitting place here. They have a huge garden, great swimming pool and a workout place, which I'll start using from tomorrow. That's a cute little crib. So this is the kids area. So this is the pool. Cleaning is done, but they're waiting for permission. So this is gonna be my temporary gym. I'm gonna work out here. I can't believe Adarsh made this in just 1.5 hours. So we're gonna watch unpaused after we finished my video. मतलब इससे अच्छा Christmas क्या हो सकता है ना? Okay, so the closest beach to this place is called Bugmalo. So we are starting with that. Okay, so I am not taking my motorcycle because this will be used for the next ride to the beach. This is a close by beach. So we are on a 5G Activa. Okay, so at Bugmalo beach, and he said it's like not that known, but just look how beautiful this is. His boat parked there. It's actually a beautiful beach, yeah. You should come here. and swim towards that side because all the waves come here. No-fly zone of Dabolim Airport. My drone was ready to fly, give you guys an epic shot of all this from top, but unfortunately I'm in no-fly zone. Flights take off just like this from here. So obviously I can't fly my drone. I did submit a report that I will fly in that territory, but still it's restricting. Anyways, I'll show you some nice passage there which a lot of people chill out. There's also like a trail here, right?
Yeah.
There's a trail everyone's walking through. You can go up, chill out here, have some food and all. So this is the way all the way up there. Yeah, we should actually come once for trekking here, man. Like, this place is so good, but see all the beer bottles and everything. Why do they spoil such a good spot? Okay, so it's called Joex. Nice place. I'll show you guys. Good afternoon homies, and sorry, so I have to cut the audio because इस घर में ये player चलते ही रहता है. And look at this. I was supposed to work out. See what's in his hand.
He's not drinking. Yeah, मुझे company नहीं देना है.
I'm supposed to work out today and बंदा beer खोलता है let's drink.
But this is इसने बहुत मदद की घर साफ करने के लिए, so I gave him a beer.
We should show them. Okay, and first of all, sorry that we could not put drone shots because of the flying zone issue. And anyways, we'll show you guys what we did with the house. So we have reorganized this spot. देख सकते हैं कितना clean हो गया है. That's his laptop. That's my cupboard. This is my wardrobe जो मैं रोज use करता हूँ. My electronics, my drone. And yeah, I don't need cupboards. Yeah, this is मैं ऐसे I live out of a bag only ना. I changed the whole setting. Yeah, you liked it, right? This is where I'll be doing my edit and everything. Coffee is going on, as you guys already know me by now. And the most important spot. So our favorite, I mean his, obviously he lives here, but my favorite spot in this house is definitely the balcony. This is where breakfast, dinner, lunch सब कुछ हो रहा है. But boom. This is what we created, and the best part is the UV is really nice, but there's no direct sun, so all our helmets and gloves actually get decontaminated, or you can say sanitized here, because the UVs are really nice. So we made a small spot. He can't drill holes, the landlord will not allow him, and when you throw a snapback, that's how it should rest. And seriously, there is one beach, okay, which I don't think so much of people know about who have come to Goa, and the reason I'm looking like this is I have a lot of sunblock on myself. This beach which we are planning to go is going to be an awesome vlog. Do not miss that. We have 4 or 5 bikers we are planning to go. It's a turtle nesting beach, so it's going to be really awesome. There are no shacks on this beach, so we are taking our own supply, so as good as a picnic. But it should be a fun vlog. The roads are beautiful and we are going to be on our bikes, so it's going to be really awesome. So that's going to be the next episode. I hope you guys enjoy, and abhi chalte hain beach pe. Let's go.